quickly. So, how much are we doing for time? If I run out of time here, please remember your homework is the rest of that sheet. I think number 13 is the same one that that we did on the board here. Okay. Now, even though the internet's hearing this is one of there's a few lessons. Guys, can I talk to you, please? There's a few lessons this year that you're going to look at and cry when you're trying to do the homework. Okay. This is probably going to be one of them. If you cannot get the equations the first time through, that's okay. All right. Try, guys, ready? To start off, pick the equations, pick the questions that are speed. All right. If you can do them all, wonderful. Okay, but generally these are a little bit tricky for people. Pick the ones that are speed driven for the weekend. Okay. So here we go. I'm going to turn this into 200x. Okay, please let me know if I made a mistake yet. We're good? Are we good? Yes? Okay, so this turns into 200x plus 6x squared plus 12x equals 200x plus 400. Turns into 6x squared plus 12x plus 200x minus 200x minus 400. All you people that had nice answers, I think you're left with that 12x somewhere. So this is 6x squared plus 12x minus 400 equals 0. That's what I think it should be right there. Okay, somebody want to argue over that? That unfortunately is quad formula. Let's divide by 2 first to see if I can find a magical number. 3x squared plus 6x. You don't think so? No. What's the square root of 600? What's the square root of 600? Do the square root of 600. I don't think it's going to work, but
24.4948 times 700.
Yeah, it's not going to work. All right, here we go. So x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, which is negative 6 plus or minus the square root of 6 squared. Negative 4 times 3 times negative 200 all over 2 times 3, which is negative 6 plus or minus the square root of 36 plus 2400 over 6. So that's just quadratic form at 100 miles an hour. If someone can be brave and give me those 2 answers in decimals, that's fine. If you want to say that her speed is negative 6 plus or 2436 over 6, that'd be very sad. If you can get a real answer for that. Nobody here's the calculator, that's all. Okay, Taylor's line first deduct the joke. Okay, so no one's going to help me here? Just waiting for the bell to ring. Okay. So we are just waiting for the bell to ring.
7.22597512.
What should we look at?
Yeah, negative 9.23. That's round.
Okay, so can somebody confirm that? Someone confirm that? 7.23? Are we good? Does that work? Okay. So the way you could check this out, the question always is, how do I know? I'm relying on my calculator. What you should find out is, you plug it back into this equation. So if I do 200 divided by 9.23 plus 6, that should equal 200 over 7.23. Somebody please do 200 divided by 9.23. Okay, please, somebody the calculator. Somebody please. That's what I gave you, isn't it? Somebody please. 21.67. This should hopefully be 21.6. Sorry, it should be 27.67. Can somebody do 200 divided by 7.23? 27.67. Good. Okay, so we'll say therefore Mr. Sadler can run at 7.23, which is very fast. Like that's very, well, not very fast, but 9.23 is like probably like you're almost in the Olympics, almost in the atmosphere, doing with all your stuff. And I'm 2 seconds. I'm 6 seconds behind you. George, a question. What's that? Oh, because remember we said the speed has to be positive. That's what we said. Also, George, if you take a look, and this is sort of the funny part about these questions, since my speed is 7.23, hers is +2, which gets 9.23, which strangely is negative, like it's the same. That's really funny. Anybody else have a question before I call it a week? Yes. Oh goodness, no. No, we did not close enough. Oh, 7.2 is what we wanted. 7.23, not 8. Okay. Ben. What'd you do? Plot that formula like this? Or you did it differently?
Yeah.
Yeah, there might have been a typo somewhere along the way, so I'm not going to go over that. Okay. Okay. We can try that sheet. I'm going to see how Monday goes.